Well, good afternoon. Lee Harris, Mayor of Shelby County, and pleased to be here on behalf of the Joint Task Force. Today, of course, is Election Day, and we are pleased that so many Shelby Countyans have already turned out to vote. We've had in this county more than 300,000 residents that have voted early. And in addition to that, we have more than 25,000 residents that have voted absentee ballots. So we are really pleased to see a huge increase in the votes that have already been cast in Shelby County, a huge increase when compared to 2016. Because of the huge turnout, Shelby County has seen more votes cast than any other county in the state of Tennessee. In fact, 1 in 7 votes cast in our state are cast right here in Shelby County. So we've seen more votes than we've seen in decades here in Shelby County, and we would encourage everyone to take advantage of today if they haven't voted and to turn out and make sure you cast your vote. And I'm here to just remind everyone that you're able to cast your vote safely. We know the Shelby County Election Commission has done a great job of making sure that the polls are very safe, and we would encourage everyone to take advantage and get out to vote. One of the things that you might do, just as by way of tip, if you are going to turn out to vote, reduce the hassle by checking your registration and your polling precinct location before you leave your house. You can go to the Secretary of State's website, which is govotetn.gov. Again, that's govotetn, the abbreviation for Tennessee.gov. And there at govotetn.gov, you'll be able to quickly check your voter registration status to make sure that everything checks out, and you'll be able to locate your polling precinct for today, Election Day. I did it this morning, and it took me about 5 seconds to check my voter registration and to identify my precinct. Make sure you get to the polls safely. Just a reminder that MATA is providing free rides all day today. So MATA provides free rides all day today. So if you need a ride to the polls, feel free to hop on a bus. And that also can be done relatively safely. MATA has required masks on their buses and also has instituted occupancy limits on those buses. Take what you need to the polls. The Election Commission has done a great job of making sure that all the items that you'll touch are disposable, and so that no voter has to touch something that another voter has already touched. But every once in a while, in rare instances, those supplies could run low or maybe even run out. So as you head to the polls, make sure you take a pen, make sure you take sanitizer, and make sure you take a tissue with you. At the same time, we always want to make sure we take a mask, and don't take it in your pocket. Wear it over your nose and over your mouth the entire time you're at the polls. And where possible, try to social distance while you're at the polls. When you get to the polls, make sure you have your ID ready. That also reduces some of the hassle and some of the wait time you might have when you are there to exercise your right to vote. So with that, I would encourage everyone to vote, and I would be pleased to see Shelby County as one of the highest turnout counties in the state of Tennessee when this is all tallied up.